It's a major turning point for Palm Bay City Hall. The federal lawsuit filed by Councilman Langevin against the city of Palm Bay has been settled, ending months of legal tension that began with a controversial censure. On February 16, 2026, both parties notified Judge Gregory A. Presnell that they had reached an, quote, agreement in principle. Following this, the judge dismissed the case without prejudice, effectively canceling the trial that was set to begin on March 3rd. But while the case is dismissed for now, the story isn't over. The terms of this settlement remain confidential, and the entire deal hinges on one final hurdle. The City Council must vote to approve it. Here is what the timeline looks like for residents. Under Florida law, the city cannot settle litigation on its own. The council has a 30-day window, which puts the deadline around March 18th. Expect this to appear on the agenda for either the March 6th or March 20th meeting. Because of Florida's Sunshine Law, that vote must happen in a public meeting. However, it's still unclear how much of the settlement terms will be disclosed to the public before or during that vote. The Palm Bay is seeking the secret executive session transcripts. City Attorney Patricia Smith clarified that these won't be public until the litigation officially, quote, concludes. Since this dismissal is without prejudice, meaning it could be reopened if the settlement fails, the files remain locked. If the council approves the deal, the case closes permanently. If they reject it, the litigation resumes. We expect those transcripts to be released around mid-April, and the Palm Bay will publish them the moment they are available. To understand how we got here, we have to look back to October 2025. The council voted 4-1 to censure Langevin, following a series of social media posts regarding Muslims and immigrants, posts that drew months of public outcry and protest. That censure didn't just include a statement of disapproval. It removed Langevin from committee assignments and restricted his ability to put items on the meeting agendas. Langevin fought back in federal court, arguing the city violated his First Amendment rights. He claimed the council was specifically trying to silence his voice and his constituents, citing Supreme Court precedent on First Amendment retaliation. The legal landscape shifted in December. The City Council passed a new ordinance that applied the agenda consensus rule to all members, not just Langevin. This likely neutralized the legal argument that Langevin was being singled out. So what's in the final settlement? We don't know yet if the censure stands, if Langevin's committee seats return, or how much taxpayers are paying for outside legal counsel Gray Robinson. Those attorney fees could be substantial. For now, we wait for the City Council's vote. Stay with the Palm Bay as we track the cost and the consequences of this settlement for our city. Stay connected, stay informed. This is the Palm Bay.